Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Walmart haul to share, and this is all household items and a couple pairs of shoes. So first item we got is some soap-proof plates, and this is the 150 count. I believe this was under $6, so $5 and some change. I also needed freezer bags. I like the quart size ones, and I typically get these at Save-A-Lot, but it was not at Save-A-Lot, so I picked these up at Walmart. And I got 25 bags for $1.98, and they are just quart size freezer bags. I just needed them for meat. And I was tired of being out of my Palmolive, the Ultra Strength. So I got the 32 ounce. This was roughly $3. And if they'd had the next size up, which is like the almost $7 one, I would have grabbed that one. But they did not have that one yesterday when I went. So I love this stuff. This is amazing. It works fantastic. Highly recommend this. This is top tier dish soap in my personal opinion. I love this stuff. Laundry items, I picked up this Snuggle fabric sheets, 70 in here, and this is Island Hibiscus, and this smells so good. This smells amazing. This was it just smells fantastic. I believe this was $3. And I went ahead and bought laundry detergent. You can see that it has a pump on there and a little pour spout. And it's just extra. This stuff does do a good job at getting our clothes clean. They did not have the $10 option, which I think does like 168 loads, something around there. That's the one I'm currently using on. That one lasts for almost 6 months. Usually, I cannot complain about the price and the, it gets our clothes clean, so I'm not complaining. It's in the Tropical Passion scent. This is the one that I always get. But this day I had to take it in the 260 loads, but I'm happy that we did. It's much larger in size, and it was $13. So it was like $12.98. For this big thing, and this probably will last 7 or so months, considering the smaller one does right at 6 months. Sometimes it does do 6 months, so yeah, I'm not complaining. I love that. Now I don't have to worry about laundry items for several months. That is done. Now when I go to the Dollar General, a couple packages of scent boosters, but outside of laundry is done for the next several months. I've been really wanting to try a new toilet bowl cleaner. This one was actually only $2.68. I had to check the price on that twice. I was like, really? Like Clorox brand? Anyways, I love this coconut scent that they have, and water lilies. It smells amazing. So when I saw this in the toilet bowl cleaner, I was like, I have to give this a try. This is bleach free. Clorox brand Scentivia bathroom toilet cleaner gel. It does, I'll be honest, it does sound a little thin in there. And I like a toilet cleaner that's going to hug the toilet and then drip down slowly cleaning. But you do get 24 fluid ounces in this. And I'm excited to try this. You get the little nozzle there. You also can smell this through the packaging. Yeah, it smells amazing. I love this scent. I've had it in cleaners and disinfectant wipes, and I did not know they had it in the toilet bowl cleaner. Otherwise, I probably would have already been grabbing that too. But I tried a bunch of Dollar Tree ones, Dollar General, toilet cleaners that is. Those didn't work out. Didn't like those. Then I tried Lysol, didn't like that one either, personally, and my favorite's the Lime Away. But as I was looking yesterday, I didn't even see a spot on the shelf for that one, even at Walmart, so I'm not sure if my Walmart's just not carrying it, or if it's just not a thing anymore, because my Dollar Tree don't carry it either. But we're going to try the Clorox brand now. And then also Connor needed toothpaste. Of course, the Colgate's Watermelon Burst. The only one that he likes. The only one that's Connor approved. Like, honestly though, he will use other toothpaste, but it's like, you know, I don't like this one. I don't like the way this one tastes, or whatever. And I agree with him, like, this one so far has been the best. And it's a cool green color. And this was, might as well say $4. It was like $3.98. A big bag of Gravy Train for Oscar. And this was $12. And not shown here, well, also picked up an Xbox card, like a gift card, for $15 so Connor could get the new Fortnite Battle Pass and start working on that, because the next one is coming soon and he really wanted that, so we picked him up an Xbox card for that. And now on to shoes. I wanted to go ahead and pick up Connor a couple pairs of shoes. I just want to throw that out here. Like, I know, like, we buy Walmart shoes all the time. They are nice. They work well. There's nothing wrong with Walmart shoes. And teach your kids that too. Okay? Because last year, we tried Nike shoes. 2 pairs of Nike shoes. Right at $200 worth of Nike shoes. And they didn't work out for Connor. I ended up having to return them. They're so stiff, and he really likes to have a shoe where he can kind of move his foot. And the Nikes don't come in wide. At least in our store they didn't. So back to Walmart shoes it is. I do plan on, though, because he does like canvas style shoes too, that we're going to, before school starts, he's also getting a pair of Converse. But for now, I did pick up these blue tennis shoes. I love the way they look. They actually have these a lot of different colors on the website. And he needed a size 6 and $12.98. So they're the Athletic Works. They have memory foam in them. He actually had a white pair of these last year, and they lasted half the year. But this year we went with this blue pair, and like I said, we're going to get a pair of Converse because he likes the canvas style shoes. And that being said, we have a pair of canvas slip-ons. These are actually from the Wonder Nation, size 6, and these have a $10 tag on them, but they were actually $6 on Walmart.com. So $6 for a pair of slip-ons, not bad. He chose the camouflage. They have lots of different colors in these. You can get them in white, navy, black, camouflage, lightning strikes, tie-dye. I'm pretty sure there's some other designs in there as well, but he liked these camouflage ones. So yeah, I've actually already been getting a pretty good head start on school stuff as well. So that's 2 pairs of shoes. He has a brand new pair of pants already put back, 3 brand new shirts, jacket, underwear, and socks, all for the upcoming new school year. So yeah, I've got a pretty good start. I love starting early. I love having my school clothes shopping, or well, school shopping done like at least a month ahead of time before school starts back. I don't have to worry about a backpack this year, totally random either, because he loves the one that he carried in 4th grade so very much that it's in good enough condition. It was a name brand. It's from Crunchyroll, and it's a My Hero Academia backpack that he wants to carry that one again. So that's fine. That's fine. Shoes and school talk and home items. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Stay tuned for more videos like these.